I'm finna let my engine cool off, man.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna let mine.
Oh, you good, man. You good, man. Nice. Excuse me. That's nice. Look at that car, man.
I was gonna get it done. I was gonna get it.
Oh, look at this baby right here. Porsche. I like the bronze wheels on that. You got the Audi side. Those are nice. I got the microphone on me, but I don't care about that. I'm just tired. Ooh, look at those. Look at those. Ooh, wee. See, I like the bronze wheels.
Yeah.
You see the new RS5s that they're gonna be doing?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I was pissed when I saw that. I was like, son of a bitch.
That 5 look good too. There's some nice vehicles out here. I'm gonna let him record without me having the microphone on me. That's the performance, that's why. But
Wait a second.
stop, man. Let me I'm gonna let it ooh.
Yeah, look forward everywhere. Go check out that.
I had another, is an M2 or M4 coming through. We got a nice turnout. M2. 230i. Nice turnout. Yeah, he gotta be leaning. It's gotta be his to be leaning on it.
Yo, no, actually, bro, I gotta go.
Oh yeah, I like how you did it, man. I forgot what you call the interior, the color.
The Silverstone.
Yeah. I like Silverstone with contrasting with the. Oh man,
I can't be mad at it.
you did good, man. Cause mine has the trim as well, man, on the M5 right there.
Wait. Is yours the M5 CS? What is yours?
Competition. This I guess you call it the silver, the Donington gray.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a look at it.
Like that all the way around. No good.
Toyota. I think it's a Supra.
Yeah, it's a Toyota SBZ.
Beautiful. Beautiful color. Beautiful. Decade. Beautiful. Versa.
Yeah, I gotta hit up that sim place to match me. Yeah.
It's just the wagon.
I see.
On a trip, like one trip, down to South Padre.
This one?
Yes, sir.
I love it. I love it. Oh, yes. You gonna slam it down even lower?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
That's nice, man.
Yeah, I was just telling dude over there, we're in the works of planning a wide body kit for it. So I'm gonna try to make it like.
Oh, I need to slow down.